case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2014, the Vermont Supreme Court heard the case of In Howard Center renovation permit. The case centered on whether a proposed use, which falls under a permitted use category, requires additional reviews and approvals. The ruling clarified that the city's authority is limited to the provisions outlined in the zoning regulations. The South Burlington School District opposed Howard Center's plan to renovate a medical office into a methadone clinic and appealed the decision to allow it. The district argued that the clinic was not an allowed use and it required a traffic analysis. However, the court determined that the clinic was a permitted use under the South Burlington land development regulations, meaning it did not necessitate site plan or conditional use review, and traffic analysis was not needed. The court considered whether the clinic met the regulations and if the renovations changed the property's use. Howard Center had entered into a lease for office space to relocate one of its existing clinics. The move was intended to provide more space for the outpatient clinic treating opioid dependence. The court ultimately approved the renovation. The Vermont Supreme Court's ruling emphasized that the city's authority was restricted to the specific provisions in the regulations. It dismissed the district's argument regarding the regulation's purpose statement, finding that it did not establish an enforceable standard nor provide sufficient notice. Consequently, the court upheld the trial court's decision, allowing the clinic to proceed without requiring site plan review, conditional use review, or traffic analysis.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.